it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here today, you guys, and I'm super excited. It's my super excited dance. The little chair wiggling. Because look what we got. Yeah, another Soft Flex package. So, I'm super excited about this. We're going to get into this little guy. I don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it. So we're going to do an unboxing and, yeah, so we're about to find out. This is the Foxy Lady. The Foxy Lady is what this guy is called. So we're about to find out about the Foxy Lady and see what that has to offer. And then if we're feeling inspired, we might do a little plan video. So let's get down to the mat, get this party started. All right, party people, here we are down on the mat. So if you are not aware, this is Soft Flex Company. The Foxy Lady, and I believe this is launching on August 31st. They'll be unboxing it, I believe, and like doing their unveiling and all those good things. So there'll be a bunch of stuff available on the website. Anyways, if you want to visit the website, here it is, www.softflexcompany.com. And they have sent says join us on Facebook. I'm just looking at our little papers. I don't want to look at what's in the box. Just this, it just talks about joining the VIB, very important beater group, and participating in their design challenges. So without further ado, let's jump on into this. I'm excited. It's orange. The last one was pink. The last one we did was pink. This one is orange. And you know your girl loves some orange. And you know we're nearing in on orange season. I said that last time. So we just want to jump right in. Let's get to it. Just put that over there for Bunsen. Alright, what do I got in here? Yeah. Looks like some good stuff. Let's give it a look-see. All right, so let's see what we got here. All righty. All right, so let's take a look at our paper now and see what it tells us. So I do believe these are going to retail for $33.95 like the other ones do. I wouldn't swear to that, but I'm pretty sure. I'll insert it somewhere here. So the design kit is called Foxy Lady. First of all, we have Soft Flex Red Jasper color number 019 medium beading wire. So here's our beading wire. Oh, FYI, we are in a working studio and we have pets and things. They're starting with me already. Okay, so we got red jasper color, and it looks like this. That is a nice color. I do enjoy that color, and it is in medium, so I gotta love that. So if you're not aware, Soft Flex is, they specialize in their wire. If you're not been around the internet, that's what they do with their company, which is super awesome. So we have 2x2 millimeter gold-filled crimp tubes. Get a little dish here. So that's in here. All right, so here's our gold-filled crimp tubes right there. And we have gold-plated ear wires. Got some other business in here. Got some gold-plated ear wires. 4 of those. Alrighty. Make a couple pairs of earrings there. Smashing. And then we have gold-plated lobster claw. That guy, which obviously we're going to need if we're going to be making things. The Jesse James Beads Custom Bead Mix. So my understanding with this is that Jesse James makes custom bead mixes, especially for Soft Flex, so you cannot get these anywhere but on Soft Flex, I do believe is the goings-ons. So we're going to come back to that. Let's see what else we got. Vintage antique brass fox charm faces. Fox charm face. Okay, so here's our little bronze fox charm. Now it says it is vintage and it does say it is antique brass, so I wonder if I can put this in my Sizzix machine. Questions? I assume I can. That's very cute. Next up, we have vintage antique brass beach leaf charms. So that's these two guys. So these are going to be super fun to work with. So we have those. Lovely. And then we have 8mm gold faceted fire polish check glass rounds. Can only be these. I love me some fire polish. Nice and autumny. My tree outside, the top turned orange, so it's officially fall. I don't know if you knew that. That's how I gauge when fall comes. Whenever the tree turns orange, it's like, Jeff was like, no, it's autumn. I was like, it's fall. 8mm gold faceted fire polish. Okay, we talked about those. 9x6mm beige swirl. Gem cut check glass rondelles. These guys. These are very nice. I like these. They kind of look like candy. Why is everything from Softlex coming looking like candy? What is going on there? These are very nice. I like those. You get a pretty decent amount of those as well. So that's always lovely. 4mm ivory check glass rounds for your designing in the cream color. Match pretty well over here. And red and pink swirl polished check glass Hishi beads. Now, honestly, of all the beads that come flying out of this bag, these are the ones that caught my attention first. And you may be saying, but why, Randy? But why? Because they're Hishi beads. I love to work with Hishi beads, especially glass ones. Because, you know, I love all kinds of knotting projects. I love all kinds of things and stuff. I just like them. I just like them. They make design projects so much fun. You can do so many things with them. So I'm so very excited to see what else is in here. Okay, so that is the strands. We talked about these little guys here. So I am going to move all this up a ways, and we are going to bust into our design elements. So this is Foxy Lady from Jesse James Beads. Yeah, I'm that girl. Everybody else is like, let me get my staple remover, and I'm like, anyways. All right, see what we got. Because isn't this like part of it? Ooh, it's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, so we have, first of all, get some of these little guys straightened out here. So these are the printed mother of pearl shells. I don't know if you've seen these before. So our printed mother of pearl shells, which is really fun because it's just printed on there. I've seen these from Jesse James, not in this design, but in other designs, and they're very nice. I like them a lot. Kind of got a paisley motif going on. We've got some foxes. Oh, my one fox got a little character. Yes. My one fox has some character. I have two little foxes here. And we've got some little poofy balls. I don't know what exactly. These are actually tassels, but I just call them little poofy balls because they're little poofy and they're balls. They're little poofy balls. Super fun. Give you some good movement. Texture. Alright, we got some leaves. I gotta do some splitting up here. So we've got some leaves, few leaf charms. Those are fun. Are they double-sided? Yes, double-sided. We've got some fireball. Guys, my camera is not, there we go. We got some fireballs there. Make for some good little designs. Apparently, Lily and Bunsen have taken it upon themselves to see which one of them can run around the house the fastest. That's what you're hearing. Alright, we got some just some like frosted glass, like nice autumn colors. I'm getting autumn colors from this. It's a little more red, a little more on the red side. Got some drops. Got a few crystal drops, really faceted. Let's see. Now these ones kind of caught my attention. These are a little weird. I've never seen these before. Not that they're weird, but I mean, they're different shapes, so I hadn't really seen these before. These are very cool. I like these a lot. They're kind of like a rectangle, but they're kind of poofy. Like they're like a puffy rectangle. I don't know if that's making sense to everybody. They're very faceted, and I really like those a lot. Let's see. We've got some, what are these? Pressed glass? Are these pressed glass or check glass? Little diamonds. They're flat. I like flat. Flat also makes for a really good design element. So that's always interesting. I love these little drops. These are just like those orange ones that we kind of got last time, except for they look to be in a kind of like a beigey color with a AB finish. Either way, I really like those. Ooh. Now these are super faceted and they're glass. Now I don't know that I have seen these, I don't know how well they're going to show up. They're kind of flat. These are cool. I like these a lot. Let's see. I just looked over at those animals and they're like children. They just stopped and looked at me and they were like, what? I'm just like, don't mind me over here making a video and such. Anyways, okay, so I'm just sorting. We got two of these guys. Also, I don't know that I've seen these in person before. They kind of look like they have like a metallic foil on them. They are glass, but they kind of look like they have like a metallic foil, an orange metallic foil. It's very different. These guys also kind of a different shape, not just a bicone, but not a rondelle either. Very interesting shape on those. I really like those. I like that color. That's that, what do they call that? The alabaster, beige or whatever. Got some cubes, which is always nice. And then we got some of these. I like these matte. I'm really into matte. We got some matte crystals. I really like those. These ones here, these are acrylic. They're just little acrylic rounds in this colorway to match. The rest of it I can only imagine. So, yeah, that's what we got in our Foxy Lady pack. So let me get everything else out here. We can take a look at it. So we got our, just put our, keep all of our findings over here on this side. And we have our, that is going to look nice with that. I'm going to leave it, see if it'll stay like that. That's going to look nice with this colorway. And then we got some more of these little guys, the vintage guys down here. Okay, so this is what Foxy Lady is looking like for Soft Flex for the design kit, which is super cute. Something I couldn't live without. Let's see, something I couldn't live without. Well, I mean, I couldn't live without these. I mean, you know, you wouldn't think that, but they're just, I love all the options of designing with a he, she. I just like it. I like them. There's a lot of options for design options with this, so super good. I couldn't live without that. I probably couldn't live without these candy ones either. I mean, those are pretty good. But something that I probably could have done without, I mean, it's all pretty good. I would say we're just treating this as it is one piece because that's how it came in the kit. So, I mean, obviously you're going to need all those design elements. You're going to need all your findings. You're going to need your wire. I mean, what is there? What could we really do without? I mean, I guess if I had to pick one, maybe it'd just be this little 4mm guy. But, you know, you're going to need this for, I feel bad saying it, because you're going to need this 4mm plain guy to kind of bring everything together in, you know, or in a design piece. Also, these are the smallest. So, when I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, okay, like, I don't know what kind of designs I'm going to make, but if I was wanting to make a smaller design, this is my smallest bead. So I don't know that I would really want to, you know, do away with that. So anyhow, I think it's all good. It's all good. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please make sure to leave me a like, a comment. Let me know if you want to see more of these Soft Flex design kits. I just recently did the, this is maybe like my third or fourth one I've done on the channel. So I'm just reaching out to the community to ask if you'd like to see more of these, and also if you would like to see the mini series with these, because I am going to do a mini series with this kit, as I am doing a lot of mini series right now, you may notice. But I am going to do it with this kit as well, so we are going to do a planning video, so stay tuned for that. And then we'll do projects with it. Whatever we plan up in the planning video, then we'll do a project with it. So I hope you all have a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.